This is your girl cooking with Steph. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday, everyone. Frying up some wings. Seasoned with love. And the way you put them in is the way they are going to come out. Seasoned with love. Hot sauce, mustard, seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. And when you fry them up, this is what you're going to get. I have prepared here a butter, hot sauce, garlic, lemon, honey sauce. That sauce I'm going to take and I am going to drizzle it right over the wing. Just drizzle it, Steph. Just drizzle it. And that is the idea of the sauce, is to just drizzle it over each piece. Fresh parsley, hot sauce, honey, butter, fresh garlic, fresh squeeze of lemon. Over here I have prepared some dirty rice. The vegetables I used was red bell pepper, fresh garlic, fresh white onion, and 2 tablespoons of OBV oil. That dirty rice is ready. These are the vegetables that were used for the dirty rice. The red bell pepper, the fresh garlic, the fresh white onion. And I'm almost done. I will be adding those to a bowl. Once the final batch is out, I will be adding them to this bowl. The drizzle will go on top. And I will leave some to the side for the kids that may not like it wet. Who likes their chicken wet? You like yours wet or dry? With your chicken, would you like yours wet or dry?